Netcare Digital is an organization that was formed as a joint venture between A2D24 and Netcare Hospital Group. The primary reason for the formation of this organization was that we believe that we have the ability to provide really innovative, fast-to-market technology, specifically in the healthcare domain. The technologies and the platforms that we are building are platforms which have a use case across many different healthcare environments across the world.
Our goal at A2D24 has always been to use the world's best technology, and when we started probably 5 or 6 years back hearing about AWS, about what tools were available, there was really nothing in the market that could touch it. And so we made an active decision to say, if we're going to be the best company in the world at healthcare technology, we need to be working with the best cloud infrastructure. And that's when we made that decision that we're going to start learning AWS, using AWS, and really making it part of our core business. Our most exciting product that we are working on today is, of course, the holy grail of healthcare, electronic medical records. It's something that, as an organization, we are incredibly excited about.
Whereas I think what AWS allows healthcare in particular, but all industries and all segments, to do is basically develop platforms and technologies at speed, and also be in a position to put those technologies out to the most remote areas and allow people from all over to be able to access and develop on those technologies.
Our core AWS infrastructure is based on a serverless stack using the DynamoDB NoSQL database. And that kind of forms the core of everything that we use. Particularly in healthcare, we are very excited in the EMR area to be using the FHIR data structure, and that allows us to take advantage of services like AWS Health Lake. Also, we are using now managed services for our security, things like AWS Guard, to help us identify and proactively identify threats in our healthcare environment, which, as you can imagine, there's a lot of sensitivity and a lot of importance around IT security. I think there's 3 main reasons that cloud is very important to us and empowers our business. The first is allowing our team to focus on software and end users. Number 2 is allowing us to scale very rapidly from 1 user to millions of users. And the third is the cost benefit that we get from not having to have a dedicated infrastructure or hardware team. I believe that having the AWS Cape Town region helps us as South African business to be globally relevant. We can now take products and services conceptualized and built in South Africa, but make them available to organizations throughout the globe, knowing that we can instantly replicate our applications to a region that's more suitable, and knowing that the standards and the technologies that we have conformed to are globally recognized and will hold us in good stead.
From a globalization perspective, we really do believe that there is an opportunity to take some of the innovation and the technologies that have been built by Netcare Digital. We have big ambitions, as many organizations do, to be able to do this, but from what we've seen to date, our technologies stand up there with the best in the world.